Hey guys, in some office or some places, there are restrictions over some applications. You cannot download or install any application but for your personal or some emergency use, you want to use these application in these computers. So I have a solution for it. We will create a pen drive in which we will install some applications. These are portable apps, very small in size, easily we can download free of cost. They have almost 400 plus applications like Mozilla, Firefox, Chrome, VLC player, MX player, Node++, Blender, and the list is so long, which is very useful for our daily routine work. These applications are very much safe. You can easily download from the internet free of cost, and you can install in the USB, and you need to plug the USB in your computer, and you don't require the admin right to run this application. It will open automatically once you plug the USB in the computer. You need to select the application and it will open and it will work perfectly fine. It is 100% safe, I can assure you. So let us begin. Dear friends, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like the video and do the comment what you feel about our video. Now I'm going to insert the USB pen drive in my computer. You can see these files. You need to double click on the start button. The application will open automatically. So this is the application we can see, and here all the lists are available. You need to double click over here. We can see the application. You need to close this one because first we will format our USB pen drive, then we will install the software. And now open the website portableapps.com. You need to click over here to download the setup file. Select the operating system which you have. So after download, you will get the setup file. Inserted your pen drive in the computer and double click on this setup file and select the language in which you want to install. Click on the OK button. You get this window. Click on the next button. You need to click on I agreement for the license agreement. Then select the new installation and you should select the portable for pen drive. And you need to select the pen drive directory. If it is not coming automatically, you can select manually by clicking over here, but in my computer it is already selecting the directory for USB pen drive. Click on the next button and now I will install the application in my pen drive. It will take around 30 seconds depending the speed of your computer. After successful installation, you will get this window. Here you need to tick this window, run portable apps platform, and click on the finish button to open the application. Make sure you have internet available on this computer because all the apps will download directly from the internet. And here are the list of all available application. These are available category wise. You need to select the particular app you want to install in your computer. They have so many apps which is very useful for your daily work. So I'm gonna select very small size application because it takes very less time. I don't want to waste your precious time right now. So you can select any application which is useful for you. Here we have some application related to the graphics. You can see we have Blender available. The download size is very huge because the software is for editing the video, and the installation space required for this Blender is 601, and we can also find some more application. So I will select this image viewer JPEG because the size is 1 MB. It will take around 1 minute. And selecting the application which you want to install, click on the next button. You can install more than one application at a time. Click on the next button. It will download directly from the internet and it will install automatically. So make sure you have internet in the computer. You can see installation is going on after the successfully download, and now I can see the application is available. Now click on the finish button and we can close this one, and you need to double click over here. So it is working perfectly. Hopefully guys, this will help you a lot. You can use this pen drive in any computer, in Mac, Windows, and there are a lot of operating system available, and it is perfectly work in the any version of the window, whether you have Windows 10, Windows. Thank you for watching our video. Please come back again.